Hello, here we are in the player character blueprint. So this is an action RPG. So I might want to play with a third-person view. If I go to add component, add a camera, I get this component. I want to call this TPS for third person. TP for third person. Player character camera. I want to link it under this well, let's just unlink it. Let's set it where we want it to be. I want mine to be above my head, looking down at me. Maybe like right there. Maybe like right there. Too far. Right there. And so this TP player character camera. We can copy that. When I press, let's go to inputs. Well, for right now, we will say 3 keyboard. I want to get this camera. I also want to get the old camera. I want to set when I press 3, I want this to be toggle view. I want to set player character. I want to set active, and I want to check this false. And we want to put a do once, and then we want to get what's called a flip flop. Each time it executes, it switches outputs. The first time you click it, it will go through A. Okay, so the first time we click this, I want to set the first person shooter camera to new active false. And I want to set our new TP player character camera to new active true. And then when I flip flop again, I want to set the old view back to being true. So player character camera true, TP character camera false. This is the do once, and these reset. We can delay for maybe 0.2 seconds. Let's try 0.33, 0.35. And let it reset. Try this with 3. Okay, so here's our character. We press 3 again. We go back to this view. 3 again, we're here. Here again. So I want to add an input. Let's go to input actions. Let's add a new input called toggle view. Control S, that go to inputs, go to input mapping context. Add toggle view, and we can make this just the 3 key. I want to go to player character. I want to get event action toggle view. Here it is. I want to control, grab that, or just connect the trigger to the do once. And now this is our input, which works as 3 anyway, that we have set up. And we can press 3, and here's our same thing. Press 3, and there's the camera. Cool. Just getting a different view for the player to use. Okay, we'll keep working on this in the next video. Thanks a lot.